Okay, so in order to see which attendee companies or members and suppliers have done their requests, there's not a report that I can find right now, but if you go into the event and go down to scheduling, requests, okay, you can view pending requests. And so if I want to look by company or by members, it will show me that there are currently 820 meetings selected. And the total number of companies that have not set up meetings is 397. And you can go in, if you click here, okay, so if you click here on show and hide these companies to see who they are, it'll show you who has not scheduled any meetings yet from the members side. If you go to exhibitor requests, you'll see that the suppliers have made 1,494 meeting requests and that 49 of them have not set up meetings yet. And again, you can go in here and see who those companies are that have not yet set up meetings. And I know that right now we have a high volume of people just logging in for the first time. So I anticipate this number is going to go down, this number is going to go up. So I do not have a specific report. That's something that I can check with our senior project manager to see if that's something that's been developed for this feature. But in the meantime, I hope that's what you guys are looking for. Again, if you have any questions, just send me an email. Thanks.